Action, Jackson. Hello everybody, this is Charles First Auto Credit. I have some help today. We're showing off the 2021 Paddleking LoPro Cruiser floor plan number 1. And he's actually solo here. We had 3 guys on it before. We were fishing a little bit. Extremely stable. I'd like to thank the local Cape Girardeau Elks Club for allowing us to come out here and use their beautiful lake. But this boat has been quite wonderful. We've been out here for quite some time. The run time on these boats, everyone always asks, it does give you an hour meter on the controls itself. It was basically, if you're running 20% power, you can run for 80 hours. If you run it wide open, it's only 2 hours. But we've been creeping along at 25% power for quite a while, and we still have full battery capacity. Nothing has been taken away from it, and everything's still functioning quite well. We're actually checking the depths on the lake itself and doing a little bit of fishing here, but I asked him to do a nice little circle video so you can see what it looks like in the water. You'll notice the 3 pontoons underneath as he comes toward us here. The 21s are a tri-tune design, and when you have more people on it, it becomes more stable because you have more weight just holding you steady. The earlier models, the 18s, when they first came out, they were a bi-tune design. With the addition of the 3rd tune underneath, it does give you a lot more stability on the water. But he did a nice little quick loop with the E-Drive on the back. It's a 48-volt system. This is just another good water content video. If you guys want to see more, please like and subscribe to our page. And you can always contact me, Charles at firstautocredit.com. Thank you guys so much for viewing the video. He's going to take off again for us. And watch him loop around one more time here. And this is full tilt with this thing. It moves a lot of water. It's not meant to go fast, but it can move a lot of weight. And it actually turns on a dime. Thank you guys for viewing it. Thank you, Taylor. Y'all have a great evening.